make it. You got to get down. Come on.
AmeriQuest Mortgage, proud sponsor of the NFL.
I don't hate your mother. Morning, Bev.
AmeriQuest, an open-minded, equal opportunity lender.
Howdy, folks. We hope you've enjoyed your flight today. We're beginning our descent.
All the boys are calling, crazy girl. I hope she sings this tonight. I know. Hey, Dad, pull over. We need gum.
I'm on it. Oh, honey? Here's some money.
What do we got here?
Hello. I'm her daddy.
Has a fractured fibula, given him a mild sedative. So I could be able to go on tomorrow.
Daddy's gonna be so excited.
That killed him.
Paging Dr. Palmer, Dr. Barbara Palmer. Dial 452.
Hi, can I get a quarter with change?
Oh, excuse me.
Sorry.
Oh, Kevin.
Sarah!
Hi. So what are you doing?
Dude, forgot your wallet.
AmeriQuest, an open-minded, equal opportunity lender.
Hello. Well, how much are they asking?
Well, that's a lot of money for a deck.
Well, I hate to tell you this, but you're getting robbed. Did you hear me? You're getting robbed. Oh, stop!
AmeriQuest, an open-minded, equal opportunity lender.
Hold on. Fifi! Fifi! No, no. Come here, girl. It's okay. No, come here. Don't.
Tim?
You fat.
Look at the cute dog.